Here are two Goodman air conditioners, heat pumps. Sorry if I talk to you, I got my wisdom teeth taken out. Now swollen. Electrical box is right here. They're both running. This one just started out like a second ago. Just a few minutes ago started out. I don't know what time this box is gonna read. But yeah. Oh! Anyways, whatever. I'm not gonna talk about that. Here's some wiring, copper. Now, these are heat pumps. I already said that. So here's the cool line. This is a hot line. This is your condenser line. This is your evaporator line. Same thing. Now, I would push on these too hard because I don't want to break the line. They're spewing friction on me. Anyways, yeah. Well, this thing is strong. Wow. I can't tell which one's stronger. I want to say this one. But yeah, that's our window unit heater over there too. I guess that'll be it.